When applying for an ACE Secure Data Portal account, you'll first need to access the CBP page. That page will be linked in the description, but we're also going to provide you this video just to make it a little bit simpler. When you are applying, you're going to go straight down to where it says Importers, and you're going to click this link here. It's going to take you to this application page, where all you'll have to do is input your company name, importer of record number, and your business email address. Once you've entered that information, you're going to click Next. At this point, your business email will receive the verification code, which you can then enter here and click Next. At this point, you're going to go ahead and enter your company information, and this information can all be found on your 5106. The information with the red stars are necessary to complete. After entering this information, you're going to select this box to verify. Scroll to the bottom and click Submit. You'll now receive a success form. The next step is to log into your CBP account. To do so, you'll need to open the email that CBP will send you and create your password. The instructions on how to create your password are right within the email that they'll send you, so you'll first navigate to this website. As requested in the email, you'll click Trade/PGA User Login. Tap on the Create an Account button. Enter the necessary information and create a password. Accept the conditions and sign up. You'll now get a security token sent to your email. Grab that token and enter it here. Once you click Verify, you must accept the terms. You're now all set, and the only thing left to do is set up your ACH bank information for electronic refunds. To do this, you'll need to find your company name under Importer. Click the account name that you want to set up the information for. Right below your account name, you'll need to set up your ACH refund authorization. Now you'll tap on Get Info/Refresh. If you don't have ACH info currently, you'll see that no ACH data has been found. At this point, you'll click Add ACH info. Enter your routing and account number information. Once you've entered that information, click Submit. You're now all set for your CBP electronic refund. If you do not have a U.S. bank account, then you can designate any trustworthy U.S. entity to receive the refunds on your behalf. To do so, you can click on Notify Parties, click on Add Notify Party. On the left side of the screen under Notification Type, select the option that you would like to receive the refunds. You can choose one of the type 10, 20, 23, and 34. On the right side, add IR number for the party that you wish to nominate to received refunds. TEU offers its esteemed customers the service to receive the refunds on their behalf. Once IR number is added, click on Submit, and once you receive confirmation pop-up, you are all set.